In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Wrike in just 5 minutes. If you find yourself frequently repeating the same tasks week after week, setting them up to recur automatically can save you a lot of time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in and get you set up. First, you'll need to log in to Wrike. Open your browser, go to the Wrike website and click on the Login button. Now, Wrike offers a variety of login methods, but to keep it simple, we'll use Google. Click on the Google icon and you'll be prompted to choose your account. Select the account you use with Wrike and you'll be directed to your Wrike workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your tasks. Find the task you want to make recurrent. Click on the task to open it. This will bring up all the task's details where you can manage different aspects of it. To set the recurrence, look at the top right corner of the task window. There you'll find 3 vertical dots which open more options. Go ahead and click on these dots. A drop down menu will appear and you should see an option labelled Make Recurrent. Click on it and a new window or panel will open that lets you configure the recurrence settings. Here's where you decide how often you want the task to repeat. You can choose a specific start date and time for the recurrence, as well as the frequency, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly depending on your needs. This feature is particularly handy for tasks like monthly reports or weekly planning meetings where timing is crucial. Once you've selected your preferred date and time settings and specified how often you want the task to recur, it's time to save your changes. There should be a Save button. It's usually at the lower part of the settings panel. Click Save and your task will now automatically appear at the intervals you specified without you having to lift a finger. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in Wrike. This simple feature can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure you're continually on top of all your responsibilities. Remember, you can always return and adjust the recurrent settings if your needs change. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.